Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Do you turn on the light or open the light? Do you check into a hotel or just enter it? And someone slips, do you fall or fall down? If these small English phrases confuse you, so this video is exactly for you. In this video, you will learn 5 daily life phrasal verbs. So let's start. So number 1 is turn on. Turn on means start a device, machine or light. Example: please turn on the light. Second is please turn on the fan. So here in both the sentences, light and fan are devices or machines. So turn on means start a device. You can use turn on in fan, either fan, TV, light. Number 2, turn off. Turn off means stop a machine or device. Let's understand by examples. Please turn off the lights. Second sentence is he turned off his phone. So again, in both the sentences, lights and phone are devices. So, turn off means stop a device. It may be light, TV. Number 3, check in means register or arrive at a hotel, airport or event. So let's understand by examples. He checked in at the hotel. Passengers must check in before boarding. So check-in means arrive and register. Number 4, check out. Again, this is very important phrasal verb. Check out means leave a hotel or look at something. Let's understand by examples. She checked out of the hotel. She checks out this new phone. So here check out used in 2 cases. One, when someone is coming out from hotel or someone look at something. So check out means leave and look at. Number 5, fall down. Fall down means lose balance and drop to the ground. Let's understand by examples. The child fell down while running. Be careful, do not fall down. So, fall down means lose balance. So let's quickly revise all the phrasal verbs. Turn on, start a device. Turn off, stop a device. Check in, arrive and register. Check out, leave or look at. Fall down, lose balance. If you found this video helpful, please use like and subscribe. Comment below which phrasal verb you use most. So see you in next video.